What's going on, Owls? It's Mr. Michael here again. So this is my second video. So if this is your first time seeing me in my orange hunt shirt, that means you are not in the right place. You need to go back and select the other YouTube video that I have for this assignment. So the first one is how to juggle, and then this one is the data entry portion. So what I need you to do, what I have written down right here, if you can see that, so I have my day one, and then I have a lot of numbers from 1 all the way to 44 right here. And then these are the amount of trials that I have. So what I need you to do right now is to either write down this this sequence right here. So you have your day one and then your trials 1 through about 44, which will be plenty. Or you can print out the document that I have attached to the choice board. Okay, so either you write your own or you can just print out the document that I already have set for you. Okay, so what's going to happen, since you guys have already seen my video on how to juggle, now we are going to be recording our data, and then you guys are going to be using this later on in the upcoming weeks, and you guys are going to be doing a little bit of math and some writing skills along with this. So it's very important to get this started as soon as possible, and it's going to be 1 data entry per day. So this is day 1, and then after I complete this, I'm going to move on to day 2 for the following day, and I want you to try to do it one data entry per day, and then to get up to 10. So 10 is your goal. They don't have to be every single day. You can, if you're not in your home, you can just skip 1 day or 2 days and then just try to make it back up later on. Okay, but your goal is to try to get 10. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to have someone in my family, which is going to be my sister Jamie, and she is going to be recording how many successful catches I have while I'm juggling, and I'm going to have 90 seconds. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give her both my data entry and my phone, and she is going to set it to 1 minute 30 seconds, which is 90 seconds. So you can do it on an alarm clock or stopwatch, or you can look at the clock if you have one nearby, anything that records your time. All right, so she's going to say ready, set, go. I'm going to start juggling. Once I'm juggling, she is going to be recording how many successful catches I have. All right, so if I toss it up, and then on the second toss, the sock or whatever object I choose to do hits the ground, that means she's only going to be recording the amount of successful catches. All right, so for example, if I toss it up a couple times, that'll be 3. Okay, so she would write down 3 for the very first trial, because again, I have them numbered. So the very first trial, she would write down 3, and if I were to toss it up and only catch it 2 times, she would write 2 on the number 2. So you keep on going through the trials for the amount of successful attempts, or I'm sorry, so the successful catches. All right, so it's okay to get frustrated. This is my very first day, so you're probably going to see me get a little frustrated, not getting the high numbers that I want to, and that's okay. It's okay to not get the numbers that you want, because this is a learning process. So day 1 is not going to be as good as day 10. Okay, you want to try to just focus on the things I taught you in the first video, keeping it close to your body and keeping it at eye level. So again, you can choose whatever object you have. I'm going to be using my rolled up socks. You can use tennis balls, hockey sacks, bean bags, trash bags, whatever you want. And also, I forgot to mention this, you can, if you want to do 2 objects, like in the first video, it was toss, toss, catch, catch, toss, toss, catch, catch. If you want to start your trials that way, so if I toss it 1, 2, catch, catch, and then the third time I toss it, I drop it, that means that is 2 successful catches. Okay, does that make sense? I hope it does. Jamie, does that make sense?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to do three objects, but you can choose to do 2 or 3. Whether it's trash bag, tennis balls, socks like me, so it's entirely up to you. So what's going to happen, my sister is going to say ready, set, go. I'm going to start tossing, and she's going to record each trial. So remember, it's only the successful catches. All right?
Ready, set, go.
Whoop. Go, try it again. Only 90 seconds. Well, that wasn't very good. See, as you can tell, it's a little frustrating. It's okay. Alright. Oh, not good. Lost my balance there for a second. That was only 2. That wasn't very good. Here we go. Try to get a good number. Whoop. And it's very important to try to stay as focused as possible. Whoop. How much time do I have left?
27 seconds.
27 seconds, okay. Oh, that's 2 again. Oh.
6.
The time?
Time.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm not a very experienced juggler, and this was my very first day doing it. And what was my highest number I got?
6.
6. Only 6.